When you're modeling the base part for the Geneva mechanism, you want to really plan out how you're going to develop the model. So looking at the image, it's pretty clear that you're going to model this base, and then on top make one extrusion that's the surrounding cylinder, and then make another extrusion on top of that that's the pin on top of that. But let's talk about just modeling the base. If you look at the front view, what it looks like are two complete circles, but there's overlap. So I want to show you how you can do that in the Sketcher to get these two complete circles and then take away the part of the circle that you don't need. Okay, I'm in Creo and I've created a new part, and then I created an extrusion which is going to be on the front plane, and now I'm in the Sketcher looking at the front plane. And I'm going to turn off the datum planes for this one, so I'll go up to the reference viewer and uncheck plane display because I'm not going to need the datum planes for this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw one circle, put that right at the origin, draw out. Okay, and that circle, I know the diameter is 8. So now we'll kind of zoom in so that that's on the screen, and then I'm going to do another circle that's next to it and make it the same diameter. And you'll see if I go in and out, there's a 1 point when the little equal signs appears, and that means that these are now constrained to be both the same diameter, which is what I want. So click there, then center click to get out of the circle mode. Okay, now the distance between the two parts, I can tell from the drawing, is 4.250. So we'll set that. And now we've got our two circles that are both together. And what I want to do is to get rid of the overlapping parts. In order to do that, I go up into the menu bar for the Sketcher, go over to Editing, and then I pick the Delete segment. And then I'll just go over and click the segments that I don't want that one, don't want that one, don't want that one, and that is looking good. So now I can go out and close this completed sketch, and then on the extrusion I know from the engineering drawing that this is 0.250, quarter-inch thick. Click OK, and now we've got our base level part that we can build on. So keep that trimming entities in mind as you are thinking about in the Sketcher how you can draw a part, because most parts can be drawn with common elements, squares and circles or arcs, and then if there's an overlapping region you can use that trim tool to get rid of all the lines that you don't want.